Welcome to today's Excel tip. Today I'm going to show you how to change text case, how to change cases from whatever they are to uppercase, proper case, and then lowercase. Let's begin. If I want to change the contents of, let's say, B4 to uppercase, the formula is equals to the word upper, then open up, and the text you want to change, so in this case is B4, press the return key or enter key, and there we have it. We can drag this formula down, and there we have it. All these text here are in uppercase. Proper case means that every single word in the selection we make, the first alphabet or text is capitalized. So let's try that. Equals to proper for B4, and there we go. We have Nigeria with a capital N, and the rest of the alphabets are lowercase. So the A here at the last space is now lowercase. We can double click the small square at the bottom right hand corner of the cell and have it propagate downwards. So even South Africa has now been converted to proper case. Now let's look at lower cases. The formula is equals to lower, and then maybe we'll start off our B4, and then we'll double click as usual to propagate downwards, and there you have it. This is how to change cases across the board. I hope you practice.